Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send big files on Discord. So open a new tab and type here WeTransfer and open this website WeTransfer.com and click on this plus icon and select the file which you want to send and click on this three dot and from here select get transfer link, get a link, and it may take some time to finish uploading. And once your file uploaded, click on copy link and now go to your Discord and open the server for you to send the big file and simply paste the copied link here and send it. And now they can download the big file and they will be able to watch the file. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.